Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw this hairstyle with graphite pencils. Before that, let me show you how to draw outlines and the materials I used for this drawing. Let me show you that first. So for this drawing I used graphite pencils. Obviously you don't need all the grades of graphite pencils, you just need an 8B pencil and 6B pencil and an 2B pencil. Then for highlights you're going to need an mono zero eraser. If you don't have this, you don't worry because you can use any double eraser. If you don't have this, just use a normal eraser. That is more than enough. So let's get started friends. I'm going to show you how to draw outlines on this 70 GSM normal printing paper and with a mechanical pencil. I'm going to draw a little bit darker because I want to show you the outlines, right? So first of all, draw a circle as per your want. This is for the skull and I'm going to draw an buns hairstyle. So obviously I'm drawing an ellipse at the bottom of it. Now we can figure it out. The bigger circle is for the skull or the head and the lower part or the lower ellipse is for the buns. So let's darken it up. So just darken it up slowly and form the shape of the skull or the head, because never ever a head would be a perfect circle. So just form it as per your want, according to your need, like that, or according to your reference image, like this, just like this. Don't worry much about it, just concentrate on the overall shape, not the details or other things. Don't draw like this the individual hairs, because once you want to darken it up, the lighter shades will be at the background, so it will be disturbing. So just don't do it, but you can do like this. So you can see my main outlines is not that much dark, but I have drawn like this because I want to show you. Friends, first grab your 2B pencil and start doing strokes like this. It won't be faded in the center or the part which is in lighted, and it won't be darker on the edges. It is very different for each and every images, so please look so carefully to your reference image whether it is dark or not. Draw according to it. In my reference image it is like this, so I am drawing like this. Moreover, each and every type of hairs will be differently lighted according to the subject or the source of light. So yeah, please be careful while in this step, because this is the base layer and we are going to darken it up according to our need, whether it is a blonde hair or a black hair. So just be so careful and observe the reference picture carefully and do it. You can see here friends, I'm drawing strokes individually. Take your time and do it slowly. You can do it, so just do it slowly. It needs some time and you can do it. Draw just like this. Friends, then the most important thing is direction. You want to draw each and every strokes in a specific direction as your reference image has. So observe your reference image carefully. This is very common on each and everything. Then grab your 6B pencil and start darkening the areas which is darker in the reference image. It is better if you are a beginner, you can just convert the picture into black and white to just see the values correctly. If you are a pro, it is not a matter. Do just like this. Take your time and do it slowly. Just like this friends, use the same stroke technique. That is the best technique I have ever used for drawing hairs, the straight hairs. So use it. Friends, keep the highlighted part just as like that You can erase the highlighted part later, but it will not look that much natural as you are doing right now. So just leave the spaces where you want to be highlighted and start darkening the other areas. That's it. Do the whole thing with a 6B pencil. If you don't have a 9B pencil, don't worry about that, friends, because 6B and 8B or a 9B doesn't make much difference. So use the pressure to control its values or the darkness and do it. Still, you can draw all these with the 2B pencil, but it will take a lot of time under layering. So if you have the right materials, it will be easy for you. But if you don't have materials, it doesn't mean you can't do it. You can do it, but it needs some time. Then friends, for blending I'm going to use a dry brush. If you don't have this, just use a paper stump or a tissue paper. It will work the same. Do it slowly, and you want to be careful, so you just don't want to smudge all the areas where you want the textures. If you done that, just don't worry. Go again with the same pencil which you have drawn before and add those textures to it. Then friends, for highlights I'm going to use this mono zero eraser. If you don't have this, just use a normal eraser or an EW eraser. I'm going to bring out some keen highlights over here and the other highlighted parts, which you can already see, but it want to be a little bit more highlighted, so I'm going to use this. Friends, then do the same thing over here, but I'm straight away going with an 8B pencil, but you don't want to do that. If you are comfortable with, you can do that. There is no restrictions for that. Friends, if you are new to this channel, you might not know what are the contents we are having so far. Just go and check out our playlist section. I have a separate playlist for these type of tutorials that named how to draw, so you can learn whatever you want from that playlist till now I created, and I'll be creating lot more tutorial videos like this and even more better videos. So if you are new to here, I'm so happy to have you right here. Just subscribe and join in my lovely YouTube family. Friends, as you are seeing right now, actually this drawing took me 50 minutes to complete, but if you are a beginner, that's not going to be possible for you, because when I have started to draw hairs like this, I might be took double the time, but I'm now becoming a bit faster because I'm drawing frequently and I'm drawing a lot of portraits, so I'm a bit well practiced in this, so it kinda easy for me. But here's the drawing, friends. So we are moreover completed it, but I'm going to add some more highlights with this white paint marker. If you don't have this, you can use a correction pen, or it is better to use a white gel pen. It is easily available in some markets, so just go and get it. It is not that much cost too. This is not important. If you don't have any of these, just skip it. It doesn't make much difference, but it is better with this. Then I'm blending it because a correction pen will be too white, right? So I hope you have learned something new here. If so, I'm so happy, and if you are trying this out, I'll be so happy to see that. Just tag me on Instagram or Twitter or send it me on Telegram. That's it, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video.